I'm Casey Walag with West USA Realty. I'm in Gilbert, Arizona, and I'm showing you a brand new community, Waterston North, today. Let's go check it out. Welcome to Waterston North. This is a beautiful new community in the southern part of Gilbert, next to Phoenix, Arizona. This new community has a beautiful lake, lots of parks, ramadas. It has a great lawn, pool, and clubhouse. The homes start at $600,000 and go up to over $1 million. This floor plan is called the Laurel. There are 2 homes available like this left in this community. One will be completed in September and it's priced at $736,000. The other will be completed in November of 2023 and it's priced at $735,000. This home is 2,795 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. It also has a 2-car garage. It is on a pool-sized lot. However, the lot that you get will have a dirt backyard. You will need to add landscaping after you buy this home. It does have 1 bedroom and bathroom downstairs, and then as you venture upstairs, you'll see there's a nice large loft and the primary suite along with 2 other bedrooms and a bathroom. This new community is close to great schools and the shopping and dining in downtown Gilbert. Gilbert was voted one of the safest cities in the country, and it's also become one of the most desirable cities in Arizona to live in. Let me know what you think of this home, and if you want to see more homes like this, like and subscribe.